Hey there airsoft enthusiasts, welcome back to our channel. Today we have something exciting in store for you. We're going to dive in the world of high performance airsoft motors with a hands-on review with the incredible T238 Brushless motor. But before we jump into the nitty-gritty, let me give you a quick outline of what you can expect from this video. We'll start by exploring the key features of the T238 brushless motor and how it differs from the traditional brush motors. Then, we'll discuss its power efficiency, including a comparison with the stock brush motor using a wattmeter. Next, we'll dive into the impressive rate of fire increase that you can expect when you're using the T238 brushless motor in your airsoft gun. And finally, we'll wrap up with our overall thoughts and recommendations. Now, let's take a closer look at the star of the show, the T238 brushless motor. Feast your eyes on this compact powerhouse designed specifically for airsoft guns. One of the standout features of the T238 brushless motor is its brushless design. Unlike traditional brush motors, this beauty offers smoother operation, reduced maintenance, and improved overall performance. And here's something interesting. This brushless motor comes with a D-type pinion gear instead of the more common O-type pinion gear. This design choice ensures a more secure fit and optimal power transfer, giving you an edge on the field. But wait, there's more. When you purchase this motor, it also comes with a 1.3 millimeter hardened steel Allen wrench. This little tool is a game changer when it comes to maintaining your motor. It's used to loosen the grub screw right on the pinion gear right there. And let me tell you, it's a very, very tight fit.
There we go. Much better.
But that's a good thing because it ensures you don't strip the grub screw and allows you to easily remove the pinion gear for maintenance and customization. Now, let's talk about the power efficiency. To demonstrate the difference, I've conducted a comparison using a wattmeter and it's almost completely stock Specna arms M4. I say almost stock because I only changed the nozzle and the piston inside of it and short stroked it by 2 teeth because that's how much faster this brushless motor makes this gun go. If I don't do that, I've ruined the piston through premature engagement. Anyway, I measured the amp draw of the stock brush motor and the brushless motor, and the results, let me tell you, they were astonishing. With the stock brush motor, we observed a significantly higher amp draw, indicating more power consumption. However, when we switch over to the T238 brushless motor, the amp draw was noticeably lower, showcasing its superior power efficiency. So this means that the T238 brushless motor, you'll enjoy a longer battery life, reduced heat generation, and ultimately extended gameplay without compromising on performance. It's like having the best of both worlds, power efficiency, because you can't get both with brush motors. Now here's the exciting part that I'm sure all of you have been waiting for. Let's talk about the fire rate. When we replaced the stock motor with the brushless motor in our airsoft gun here, the difference was remarkable. The T238 brushless motor spun up faster, delivering a blistering fire rate that left me in awe. Let me tell you, wait till you see it. Take a look at the side-by-side comparison. With the stock motor, we had a respectable rate of fire. But when we installed the brushless motor, the rate of fire went through the roof. It was like a swarm of angry bees unleashed upon the battlefield. The T238 brushless motor unleashed a torrent of BBs with an incredible speed and precision. The rate of fire increase with the T238 brushless motor is truly impressive. You'll be able to lay down suppressive fire, dominate in the close quarter battles, and catch your opponents off guard with the sheer intensity of your shots. Think about it. To summarize, the T238 brushless motor not only offers superior power efficiency, but also delivers a jaw-dropping increase in rate of fire compared to the stock motor. Its brushless design is optimized for performance, D-type pinion gear, and include a 1.3 millimeter hardened steel Allen wrench to make it an unbeatable upgrade for any airsoft enthusiast looking to take their gameplay to the next level. But before we wrap up, I want to remind you to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. By doing so, you'll never miss the latest airsoft gear reviews and tips that I will bring to you. And thank you for joining us today. And remember, the T238 brushless motor, you'll experience unrivaled power, efficiency, and an insane rate of fire out at the airsoft field. Until next time, stay safe, stay tactical, and keep those BBs flying, boys.